watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. After holding informal talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chinese President Xi Jinping says really overwhelmed with India's hospitality. Following his India visit, Chinese President Xi Jinping will be heading to Nepal. This would be the first official visit by a Chinese president in the Himalayan region after 23 years. Remember, on Friday, PM Modi and Xi Jinping held a 2.5-hour open and cordial one-on-one discussion over dinner at Mahabalipuram, vying to jointly combat terrorism and radicalization and signaling a recalibration of bilateral ties. A big relief for the people in the valley. All post-paid mobile services likely to begin from Monday in Kashmir, a major step towards easing curbs in the state. Restrictions were imposed 69 days ago after the abrogation of Article 370 by the centre. The services were likely to be resumed on Saturday, but a last-minute technical glitch led to postponing of the resumption of services. This will be leaving about 26 lakh prepaid mobile subscribers. The police in West Bengal posted a rare status update on Twitter on Friday, with the BJP stepping up allegations of escalating political violence. West Bengal police issued a clarification saying the murders in Murshidabad had nothing to do with politics. A political row was triggered by the horrific murder of a family of 3 in Murshidabad, scaled up following the death of a priest in Nadia district. BJP has alleged that the priest was a BJP worker. The Aam Aadmi Party released its election manifesto on Friday for the 2019 Maharashtra Assembly elections slated for October 21st. In its manifesto, AAP promised to re-engineer Maharashtra, which has been reduced to a failed state. The Aam Aadmi Party is contesting 24 of the 288 assembly seats in Maharashtra. The 32-page manifesto, titled Aapla Maharashtra, Ananda Maharashtra, aims to bring about a political culture without money and muscle power. Former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu lashed out at a bitter rival and Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. Naidu said that the new government in the state is implementing anti-people policies. Unnecessary and illegal cases are being filed on leaders of other parties. The police are creating unnecessary problems. I am good to people who are good to me, but Jagan is acting like a psycho. Pressure building up in US to stop Turkey continuing its offensive against the Kurdish-held areas in Syria. US has warned of serious consequences considering the prospect of fresh sanctions. President Donald Trump's decision to withdraw US troops effectively triggered the Turkish incursion. Turkish president, however, says the military operation will continue. The US has agreed to suspend its next tariff hike on Chinese imports after the 2 days of trade talks in Washington. US President Donald Trump said the negotiators have reached a Phase 1 deal that would include increased agricultural purchases and address the financial services and technology theft. China's top negotiator also said he was happy with the progress. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.